Alright, I finally have 4-player playing with us.
So what's the plan, guys?
Hey, this is our first time playing with 4 players, man. Alright, let's hope these guys know what they're doing. We need a full team to kill the BigFoot. Oh, come on. What?
I can. Oh, I can give it to you. Don't worry.
Dude. Here, do y'all wanna know how to get the AR?
Here, I gave you it. I gave you it.
Damn, you guys went straight to the car.
Hell yeah.
Yo, boys, I'm gonna go get the AR. I'll be right
Damn, you guys already know where the AR's at?
No, I know it's super easy to get. Sorry.
Who has the
Super easy to get. Here, follow me.
Hey, let's go, Chesley.
I'll beat you there.
All you really do is you go up to this area, to the top right of the map. And then once you go up here, there'll be a code somewhere.
Guess I'm following you then.
Yeah, hey, what guns do you have?
I don't have any guns.
Alright, there'll be a hunting rifle in there. Do you want the hunting rifle or the AR? There's low
Where's
damage
the
with lots of
AR?
ammo.
I have a flare gun.
Alright, here. The hunting rifle, Tyler gets the AR.
Let's go, let's go. Don't want to waste any time.
Yeah, we gotta find the code. The code spawns in 1 of 3 spawns.
Yeah, I have a question. Is each map
What's your
randomly generated or are they all the same?
So this is the only map out, and this map is the same, but a lot of the items are randomly generated, but a lot of them are stationary.
Okay.
Like there's a lake, and in the lake there's a house that has a shotgun and all it. And the AR takes a 5.56, so I'll give you 5.6.
Is this on easy mode? Like the real easy mode?
No, this is on just normal mode.
Oh, okay.
Hey, whoever's green, we're going straight to the AR.
Oh shit.
Oh, look out, rock slide.
Does that
See rock slides and traps and like trees falling that you can take damage from.
Yep, gotta watch out for that.
No, not up there. We actually
Watch out for what?
Rocks coming down.
falling. It's a trap, the Bigfoot's up there.
Alright guys, follow the black guy. He knows what he's doing.
Exactly. Here's the code. So the code is 9.
I'm gonna go south and
tower
continue.
up here.
Oh, nice code.
Yeah, the tower's up. Yeah, we need to get Tyler that AR. I'll take the hunting man.
Hell yeah, man. I need that AR.
That flare gun that you have is actually really good. 901. And give it to Tyler.
you want it?
Yeah, and then
Ooh.
give him all your 5.56 rounds.
Are there any other guns?
There's more. All over the map. Where near.
Damn. This M4 is hella nice.
So it's So it's
the
low
M4 the
damage
best?
but high ammo.
Okay.
And so do we want to go to the lake where there's a shotgun and get you an actual gun?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
We gotta do it now though, because it's gonna be nuts.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, fun fact though, if you run and press space at a window, you do this.
Oh, wow.
It's good for escaping Bigfoot.
Smart.
Try running so fast.
You take a lot of fall damage in this game, so don't fall.
Hey, how long have you been playing
Fall
this
10
game?
feet, you die. The update just came out today, but I've only been playing for like 3 hours. I already know the whole map.
Wow. That's crazy.
It wasn't hard to figure out.
Me and the green guy literally just started like an hour ago.
Yeah, this update just came out. For the old update.
Oh shit.
Yeah, there'll be a bunch of like traps and stuff that we gotta be careful of.
Hey man, it's getting dark. We gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up and get the shotgun. It's getting dark.
We can sit in the cabin. There
What's that?
he is. You gotta
What's
go
that,
down
bro?
here. He's now active. He's now running around.
Oh shit, how do you guys get all the way down there?
Go to your
Fall down,
right.
you'll die. Don't fall down. You'll die. Do you have the hunting rifle?
Hey, look at my gun. Look at my gun.
You got the hunting rifle. Yeah, we got him in AR.
Dude,
Let's get him the shotgun. We gotta stick that. Just gotta
let's
have
go
to
get the shotgun, man. Let's hurry up, man. It's getting hell dark.
Yeah, it's gonna get really dark.
By the way, did
You
anyone
hold your
here
flashlight
get
out. He's gonna attack us. Whoever has that flare gun, you're gonna want to shoot him.
Man, what the hell? How do you get that?
This guy, the black guy helped me.
Damn, what kind of ammo do you need?
5.56.
Yeah, hunting rifles take, all rifles take the 7.62. That takes 5.56, and that takes 9mm. Flare guns take flare rounds. I just figured this out recently, though. If any of you have single flares and Bigfoot's right in your face, pop it and wave it in his face. He gets blind for a sec.
This guy knows what he's doing.
Dude, I only win to like
Dude,
4 multiple
all I hear is him
matches,
mumbling.
I just watch. You have to turn up your game sound, your settings, and go to audio, and then go to game chat volume.
I mean, I could hear him really good, but then for you and the pink girl guy, I could barely hear you guys.
Hello? Can you hear?
Oh, much better. Way much better now.
All I hear is that guy mumbling.
Yeah, it's a little finicky. There you
Alright,
go.
let's go.
Let's go.
I mean,
It's
you're kind of talking a little too fast.
Just want to win. I haven't won yet.
Oh, I'll tell you, Nate. Tell you,
Careful-
Chesley.
Careful with those cameras.
He said he's trying to win. He's trying to win, so he's trying to move quickly.
Dude, we're going.
I got a propane tank.
Oh, yeah,
Nice.
propane tanks can be used as traps. You can shoot them when Bigfoot gets near.
Yeah, just let me know where to set it up.
Yeah, we're gonna sit in a cabin and wait out the night. You might be able to put a trap there or something.
So yeah, we're looking for a shotgun. So I think what, by the river?
There's a lake up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one of the houses has a shotgun, so.
Oh, behind you, behind you.
Why did you attack me?
Oh my god. Oh, nice, nice.
God, I hit him with
Run! You better run!
Oh damn! I got down.
running in circles. I'm running in circles. Oh shit!
He's running, leave him. Don't shoot him, he'll run away. Right here's the shotgun.
Get a shotgun, shotgun, shotgun.
Wait, no, time this one, spin the next. Oh, no.
I got a shotgun over there.
Here it is, he found it. He got it.
Damn, that was crazy.
Hi, get in the cabin, get in the cabin.
Hey, I need a med kit.
I'm at 58% right now.
Yeah, he's.
Alright, who has the shotgun?
Me.
Oh, then give
We
me.
had the. Yeah, okay, that's good. Alright, everyone give him shotgun shot.
Do any of you guys have medical supplies? I'm really done.
Nope.
No, I'm empty.
Who needs? Did you need it purple? You
What?
only need medical supplies? Who needed?
Battle Noob
I'm
needs
at
it.
34 health.
Okay, just I have 2 medkits. Who needs?
I'm at 58%.
I'm at 34.
Okay, jump if you really need a medkit. If you're below 60.
That dude was only targeting me for the first half, bro.
Hey, Bernie. Oh.
Oh, fuck. What the hell? Oh my god.
You did that to yourself?
Now don't put the trap down again. Don't put it down. Don't put it down. Just, we need to wait to use those.
Okay.
Here, this is how you use them. Look
Hey,
at
I
the
have
cap.
flares. I have a flare gun. You guys have?
Yeah, I have to do it. I'll give it to you.
Oh, dude, all I have is
Here,
a.
five.
Thank you.
Wait, we need to search
I
these
shot-
other cabins.
Alright, let's go. Oh, I have a gas bottle. I have a gas bottle.
Okay, keep that on.
Hey, does anyone here need 7.60?
Nope.
Oh, I have enough ammo. Maybe later.
Here, come on. I do.
Give it here. Also have the shotgun note. Alright,
I gave you 7.62.
Yeah, thanks. We can get dynamite from an area, but I don't know where all the code spots are for the same.
Where you guys wanna go now?
Where's the bear trap? Whoever has a bear trap, place one down, like, right here, and then put meat in it.
I don't have any traps.
What's me do?
Keep picking it up. Okay, there we go. So we need to track some to it. Don't leave the gas bomb there. Pick that gas bomb up. Alright, we need to go. We just need to explore. So that's what.
Hey guys, I think I've asked this before, but did a drone?
Yeah, there should be a drone around here, and then whoever.
I think I have
drone.
drone.
The battery.
Can you get me? I have tablet and battery. Thank you.
Alright.
Hey, who has a night vision camera? Does anyone have one?
Yes, I do. I'll give it to you.
Okay, it's only really good when we're in a dire situation.
Alright.
Good night.
Do we want to go to a campsite, or do we want to go to a radio tower first?
I'd take a
Up to you. Whatever you think's best.
Alright, I think we should go to the radio tower because we need fireworks then.
Okay.
Damn, a little kid with
Wait,
AR.
What do fireworks do? what is
I'm
that
pretty sure
sound?
they just scare them big.
We just got fuel.
You know,
What
we
is
can get a
that
car
sound?
battery, but I don't know if these ones. Hey, look out, we might accidentally step in traps, so be very careful.
Do you know what the airplane does?
Okay, so
Up in the
I
sky?
tried to like shoot fireworks at it, because fireworks shoot up, but nothing happened. Like,
Yeah, I tried
the
flare. I tried the flare too, and waving the flare at it, nothing happened.
Yeah, I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. We'll find out. That was for rock slide.
Oh damn, it's healing.
Yeah, so that gray health is health that he can heal. Did not mean to do that.
Ballard.
Here, there's a camp. Here, I go back down.
Oh shit.
I think it's right over
He's healing. He's
Damn, this guy memorized the whole place.
here. Dude, listen, I'm black, I know everything.
Hey, you know, that guy said he only played for 3 hours. He memorized that map.
Really? Damn.
That's what he said.
Not bad.
Hey guys, set out here. Come with us.
No, there's a better spot where we can set
This
up.
is an open area.
Where?
We need
Yeah,
a
there's a better
cabin.
spot we can sit indoors. Yeah, there's a cabin over here.
Where'd you find a
Yeah,
dead body?
right here. Right here. What do we do with it?
Dude, she's dead.
There's a note. There's a
Can I
note.
cut her up? We'll cut her up. Eat her meat for pieces.
Alright, we gotta go.
You guys think she's
Wait, did you really pick up her meat?
No.
Oh, I thought you could. Oh wait, there's a camera. Should we bring that with us?
Hey, come on, we gotta go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Battle Noob, are you under 50 health? Okay, is anyone under 50 health?
I am.
Let's go.
Thanks.
Yeah, but don't use it until you get down.
Oh, fuck. My bad. I used it.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Save one for someone gets down.
You mean down as in when Bigfoot knocked you down? Like you're like,
Yeah, when you're down to 10 health and you can't move.
oh, I
That's
see.
pretty smart.
Oh, I've never been here before.
The code's here for dynamite. Code's here for dynamite. 246,
Nice.
You get the dynamite. I do more damage with explosive.
Wow, I've never seen a dynamite before.
Wait, you have the.
Where the fuck did my drone?
Thank you.
We can either stand up outside or stand up in here, but when we get in here, it's gonna be kind of hard to get out. There's only one window.
Just jump out like you told us.
I think the drone's glitched.
To get on the, yeah. You can tase with the drone, but you can hurt us, so don't do
No
that.
signal.
I'm saying that you have to switch
I know,
to the,
but there's no
drone
signal.
Oh, okay. I'll just pick it up. You can't use it then. Alright, Everett, get inside. I'm gonna put a trap right here.
Okay, I have 3 traps. I will set that up too.
No, here, let me set one. Because I don't want you guys accidentally stacking this.
Anyone have cameras?
I do. What do you want? I'll give you. Where do you want them?
Right
So it's gonna be coming. We gotta hurry. Hey, BigFoot's gonna be coming. We gotta hurry. Everyone get it.
Where do you want me to set up the traps?
You know, I'll set it. Everyone needs to get in though.
I got feel. If you want to use my feel.
I
No,
have
here,
this.
I got it. Here, no, this is the strat I use.
He's coming.
Damn. Oh wow.
He's gonna step in the bear trap. He's gonna get stuck, and we shoot it. But we gotta be careful because we're gonna hurt ourselves.
Oh
Actually, what I'm
damn.
gonna do is.
What is that?
Oh, that's a deer.
I see a deer.
Wow, look at this trap. Oh. If we have the battery too, the car battery, that'll be perfect.
I don't know what the car battery does though.
I figured
don't
out
think
what
it
was wrong with the
electrocutes
drone.
it.
It jammed the battery.
You gotta charge it. Okay. So now all we have to do is wait.
So if we stay still and don't make a move or sound, will it hear us or no? Will it still find us?
It'll still find us. Every night it comes to attack at least once.
Oh, okay.
So when
Oh.
he gets stuck in the trap, I'll shoot the bombs and then everyone just focus fire on him. And whoever has the flare gun, get ready to hit him because when he gets hit, he doesn't move.
He's coming. He's coming.
Okay, get ready. Get ready.
Oh. Oh no. Why is it always getting him?
I don't know.
Oh damn. I'm down to 10. I'm down to 12. I'm down to 12. Flare, use the flare.
Oh,
Flare gun.
I'm down.
Chase that.
Right.
He's in my ass.
Yo.
Dude, I'm down a low ammo. Oh my god. I'm down. Oh my god.
Fire, hit him with the
Oh
he died.
shit again.
Rainy.
I'm dead.
Okay, get back inside.
Tyler.
Get back inside, quick.
Hey guys, I need your 556 ammo.
Oh, that's right. You pick up the arrow.
Oh
Really?
fuck.
Step in it? I don't have a med kit.
It's okay, just let me die.
Oh.
I was trying to set up the paint tank.
Why'd you have to do this?
How to
Come
use the
on.
dynamite either.
You killed yourself.
Be very careful. Oh god damn it!
Oh
God
man.
damn it!
I can't believe I stepped on a charm again, dude.
We're both dead. We're both dead.
Oh my god, how the hell is this guy die? Dude, how the heck you get down?
Someone reset the trap and I died.
Oh my god. Oh, let's remake. Let's remake.
I'm not killing him.
Here, we can restart. We just have to all die.
Oh my god.
Come on,
Yeah,
guys. We were
yes,
so
I got it.
close.
We
I
were
got
doing
it.
good. When he's grabbing someone, like throwing him around, whoever's the player gonna have to
Yeah.
shoot him with it to stop it.
Okay. I think we only had one flare gun.
And don't use your don't use your med kit until you're down.
Alright.
Dude, I don't even have a flare gun. I think all of us should at least have one.
Oh shit, no.
Oh no.
Ouch.
At least it didn't get you, Chesley.
No, help me. He's gonna kill.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright, who's still alive? Oh. Hey, Chesley, it's eating you first. Oh, that was so bad. Oh wow, I'm level 1. Alright, that was a good try.